If you're a student and you're looking for ways to make an extra income, these are five of my top skills. You don't need to go out of your comfort zone. You don't need to go anywhere to get these jobs. You can do them right from the comfort of your home, your hostel. If this is what you want to see, keep on watching this. The first on my list is something I call course registration. This was something I did when I was a student. So if you're in a school and you guys register your courses every semester, or you generate invoice for paying of school fees, and this is something people have to go to the computer center to do, and this is something that is very easy to do. So you just check how much the computer centers are charging, you register the courses for people, you print it out, and then you just collect your money. During my time, what I did was I made like an announcement. I wrote out flyers with pen and paper, and I pasted it around my hostel. The computer centers were charging 500 naira per course registration. And what was I charging? I was charging as little as 200 naira. And for each registration I did, I was making a gain of about 150, 160 naira, because then printing was about 20 naira. I don't know what it is now. So this is something you can consider doing. And trust me, every semester you're making money. It might look little, but by the time you get a lot of customers, you know how much you would have made. The second thing you can do is graphics design. Now, a lot of people want to have banners, so many church programs, departmental programs here and there, not just in school, but even outside of school. People just want to make a statement with their graphics. There are so many free videos on YouTube, so many courses you can take to learn the basic graphic design. You can even use something as simple as Canva. So doing graphic design for people and charging, you can charge as little as 1,000, 2,000 naira. You can start from there. Trust me, by the time you continue getting customers, you can increase your pay rates, and you're going to make money for yourself, even if you're using just your phone. The third skill is data analysis. Yeah, I know. I wish I learned data analysis when I was still an undergraduate, because people were making money from data analysis. Learning basic statistical tools such as chi-square, ANOVA, t-test, people have used this to make a lot of money. So if I were you, I would go to LinkedIn, I'll go to Udemy, I'll go to YouTube to learn basic data analysis. Just a tip, learn the use of SPSS software. This has all the tools you can use for at least the basic data analysis, and you can make a lot of money. Nowadays, people charge for basic data analysis, people charge as much as 10,000, 20,000 naira, or even charge more depending on the volume of the data. Now, for students or your classmates, your junior colleagues, your senior colleagues who might be doing their project, most of them, if not all of them, will be doing data analysis, and many people do not know how to do this for themselves. So you can take advantage of this situation and make money. The next skill is event management. You will agree with me that in school these days, many people have events. It could be the Students' Union government, it could be fellowships, it could be birthdays, it could be just organizations here and there in school. So take advantage of this opportunity. You can decide to start helping in organizing your church or your fellowship events for free. This will help you gain skills, and you can start telling people, oh, I'm an event manager, I'm an event organizer, can I help arrange your birthday? What you need to do is just to get, number of vendors, maybe people who make cake, people who are into catering, into drinks, DJs, MCs, and a few other things that are necessary for an event to take place. Trust me, with this, you'll be getting gigs day in, day out, because events happen all year round. So this is not a matter of, okay, this semester there is no event. There will always be events, both in school and outside of school. Again, you can learn this skill using free videos on YouTube. There are free courses on Udemy. Simply search event management, hosting small parties, hosting small events, and start making little money for yourself on the side as a student. The last but not the least is social media management. There are so many people who do not have the time to manage their social media accounts. This could range from individuals to organizations, churches, departments, different clubs, and different organizations. Social media management is hot cake right now. If you can learn how to manage a website, an Instagram account, Twitter account, or even a Facebook account, you're on your way to making cool cash. And the good thing is that you can manage up to 5 6 social media if you plan yourself very well. Another tip is to go online. Go to YouTube. Trust me, YouTube and Google has everything you can possibly be looking for. There are free courses, videos you can watch on how to manage social media. Besides managing social media accounts for individuals you might know, you can also go to Fiverr and Upwork and look for gigs for people you don't know and manage their social media accounts. My list is not exhaustive. There are other things you can do, but I just want to end this one here. So if you want to see a part 2 of this video where you can do actual small businesses to help yourself as a side hustle while you're in university, let me know in the comment section to do a part 2. And if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.